This demo will show ByteGenie's supply chain planning dashboard that helps organizations anticipate supply chain disruptions early, understand their causes and commercial impact, and choose the best actions to protect customer commitments, revenue, and margins. The dashboard starts with an overview, where users can immediately see revenue at risk, critical components, projected shortages, inventory exposure, and kit readiness. Each indicator can be expanded to see more details. If I expand revenue at risk, I can see the key customers and projects whose revenue is at risk. I can also see the key risk drivers causing this revenue to be at risk. I can also see the recommended actions needed to mitigate revenue at risk. In a similar manner, we can explore other risk indicators like critical components, projected shortage, excess inventory exposure, kit readiness, and explore the relevant customers, risk drivers, and actions associated with each risk indicator. Next, let us explore the Forward Risk Outlook module, which lets users see forecasts for key indicators, including component demand, expected shortage, supplier lead time, expected price increase, and demand exposed to shortages. If I select expected shortage as the forecast metric, I can break down the forecast by customer, project, product, component, or risk driver. Selecting component will allow me to see expected shortages for each component. Next, we can look at the Priority Actions module, which ranks the interventions requiring immediate attention and explains the impact of each action on relevant risks, components, projects, and customers. Next, let's look at the Market Intelligence module, which shows external market signals derived from news and research reports. Each market signal is presented with an expected outlook and connected directly to its impact on relevant components and any customers or projects affected by them. Now, let's move to the Planning section. Under Planning, Procurement Decisions answers the practical questions: what to buy, how much, when, and from which supplier. It compares primary and secondary sources by price, capacity, lead time, reliability, and qualification, while identifying when purchases should be deferred or customers should refresh their forecasts. Decisions can then enter a human approval queue. Scenario Simulator allows planners to test the effects of changes in demand, purchases, inventory allocation, sourcing, substitutes, supplier disruptions, lead times, and price increases. It compares scenarios and recommends the best actions to reduce risk and optimize business outcomes, e.g., revenue, profit margin, on-time delivery, inventory costs, and supply continuity. Finally, Supply Chain Chat lets users ask questions in plain language. ByteGenie retrieves evidence, runs the relevant forecasts or causal and scenario models, and returns detailed, traceable answers, while allowing previous responses to be selected as context for follow-up questions.